Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here. Today, we are presenting Signify AI, a deep learning system for real-time Indonesian sign language recognition. Our mission is to leverage AI to make communication truly accessible for everyone. Before we dive deeper into the project, I would like to introduce the team behind it. This project is a collaborative effort by our team. I'm Miss Priscilla Setian, the project lead. Joining me is our team member, Bunga Citra Lestari Kumorang, and our project manager, Niratu Kusnamufida, PhD, whose mentorship has been vital to our development. Now let's take a look at the key points we'll cover today. Our presentation will cover the problem statement and motivation, proposed solution, and key features of our system. We'll then walk you through the system architecture and technology spec, followed by the model pipeline and a live demonstration, and finally our conclusion. At this point, I would like to hand over the presentation to Bunga, who will explain the problem statement and motivation.
Okay, thank you, Meska. Deaf individuals face a daily challenge. Most people don't understand sign language. In clinics, campuses, or stores, communication breaks down fast. So the result, they still need a third person just to get a basic message across. So we ask one question: what if sign language recognition works directly in the browser, no special hardware, just open and use? That's why we built Signify AI, a web-based vision recognition system starting with static alphabet, static, A to Z in real time. Our goal is clear. We want to make communication more equal and convert it to text and speech. Now that we know the problem, let's talk about how we solve it. Our solution runs directly in the browser, so users only need camera and internet browser. First, the browser captures a live webcam frame. The frame then processed through a canvas at 640 by 640 pixels. It's RGBA image data and convert into normalized RGB FLOT32 tensor. Next, Yolo 11 Nano ONX performs gestures detection in the browser using ONX runtime web. To keep the results stable, we use a 3-frame buffer before showing any results. Finally, the detected letter appears as text, can be read aloud using text and speech, and it's saved in the session history. Now that we understand the solution flow, let's take a look at the key features that support the system. Our key features are real-time recognition, text-to-speech output, stable prediction, and mobile support. The system detects single alphabet gestures in real time and shows visual feedback using bounding box and confidence score. Confirmed letters can be converted into text-to-speech, and to make prediction more stable, we are using pre-processing, NMS, and a 3-frame buffer. And the system also responsive and optimized for mobile devices. That's all from me about the key features, and I will hand over to Meska about the system architecture.
Thank you, Bunga. Let me now show you how Signify AI is built. We designed a 5-layer modular architecture centered around a client-side YOLO Vicino end-to-end system. First, the application layer is where it begins, built with Next.js 16, React 19, and TypeScript, utilizing the web speech API for instant text-to-speech conversion. Instead of relying on a heavy server backend, our inference layer runs entirely inside the user's browser using ONX runtime web, utilizing a web GPU or WASM fallback forward bit, zero latency execution. The data and model layers from our foundation train on the Vicino dataset across 26 sign classes. Our YOLO 11 Nano model is optimized and exported into a lightweight and production-ready .onx format. Finally, our MLOps and DevOps layers handles automated testing via Vitess and Playwright with seamless web development powered by Vercel and Supabase. 5 layers, one coherent, secure, and serverless system. Now let's zoom into how data flows through the actual model pipeline. Our pipeline is divided into 2 main phases. First, the training phase. We train the YOLO 11 Nano model on the Vicino dataset covering 26 classes from A to Z using an ArcX 4050. It reached an early stop at epoch 84 in just 2.8 hours. The result is a highly compact 5.5 megabyte model checkpoint with a NERSC MAP 50 of 99.5%. Second, the inference phase. In production, everything happens locally and on the user's device. The browser captures the webcam frame, resize it into 64 by 64 canvas image data, and convert it into a float 32 tensor. ONX runtime web executes the inference in just about 45 milliseconds, with a post-processing confidence threshold of 0.5 and class-aware NMS. The decoded output is established and seamlessly translated into the sentence and audio. Within a split second, a hand gesture becomes a recognized later, processed and turned on the edge. But talk is cheap. Seeing is believing. I will now hand it over to Bunga to guide us through our live demonstration of the system in action. Bunga, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you, Meska. Okay, now we will demonstrate our application.
Halaman utama Signify AI memperkenalkan fungsi utama sistem, mulai dari pengenalan alfabet Bisindo, modul latihan, privasi kamera, hingga sumber informasi yang tersedia. Melalui halaman ini, pengguna dapat menjelajahi fitur produk, informasi riset, ketentuan penggunaan, serta akses ke halaman pendukung lainnya. Untuk mulai menggunakan ruang kerja, pengguna memilih tombol mulai menerjemahkan dan masuk menggunakan akun Google. Login digunakan untuk menyimpan riwayat terjemahan, progres latihan, serta preferensi pengguna. Setelah berhasil masuk, pengguna diarahkan ke halaman terjemahkan. Pada halaman ini, pengguna dapat mengaktifkan kamera untuk memulai mengenali gestur alfabet Bisindo. Saat gestur terdeteksi, sistem menampilkan hasil prediksi huruf yang stabil dari kamera. Huruf yang dikenali dapat dimasukkan ke area susun kalimat. Kalimat tersebut dapat diedit, ditambahkan spasi, lalu diperdengarkan melalui fitur teks ke suara. Hasil penerjemahan juga dapat dilihat kembali melalui riwayat sesi. Selanjutnya, pada menu latihan, pengguna dapat berlatih mengenali alfabet Bisindo secara bertahap. Sistem menampilkan huruf target, contoh referensi gerakan, area kamera, serta indikator progres untuk membantu pengguna menjaga fokus pada gestur. Latihan dilakukan, pengguna dapat melihat informasi performa seperti jumlah sampel, presisi, dan progres latihan yang telah dicapai. Signify AI juga menyediakan pengaturan untuk menyesuaikan pengalaman pengguna. Pengguna dapat mengatur cermin kamera, tema tampilan, kontras tinggi, ukuran teks, prediksi, serta kecepatan dan volume keluaran suara. Setelah selesai menggunakan ruang kerja, pengguna dapat keluar dari akun dan kembali ke halaman utama. Pada menu produk, pengguna dapat melihat akses cepat ke fitur terjemahkan, latihan, referensi, dan riwayat. Menu sumber daya berisi halaman pendukung untuk membantu pengguna memahami penggunaan riset, ketentuan, dan profil. Halaman riset menyediakan informasi mengenai transparansi model, batasan sistem, serta alat pembelajaran alfabet Bisindo. Membuka halaman profil dalam keadaan belum masuk, sistem akan mengarahkan pengguna kembali ke autentikasi Google.
Okay, and in conclusion, overall Signify AI demonstrates a real-time Bisindo alphabet recognition system that can detect hand gestures, convert them into text and speech, and run directly in the browser. With pre-processing and a code buffer, the system becomes more stable, and in the future, we plan to improve accuracy and expand beyond alphabet gestures. That is all presentation from our team. Thank you for your attention.